moving to our second speech. Our second speaker is Toastmaster Mahima, and her project will be evaluated by Toastmaster Hassan. I request Toastmaster Hassan to please, Toastmaster Mahima to please deliver your project. Thank you. Over to you, Toastmaster Mahima.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Are you eating plastic bags? Have you taken your meal today? What you ate in lunch? Have you eaten plastic today? I would not be wrong if I say that we live in a plastic world. Plastic bags are one of the most commonly used things today. It makes our work easier and gives us a lot of convenience. They have formed an essential part in our lives. We use them almost every day for various purposes. Plastic bags make our life easier, but at what cost? Plastic bags are one of the most major cause of environmental pollution. Plastic as a substance is non-biodegradable, and thus plastic bags remain in the environment for hundreds of years, making it polluting it immensely. It has become very essential to ban these plastic bags before they ruin our planet completely. Plastic bags are destroying our nature due to their harmful effects. They have become the major cause of land pollution. The plastic bags that are entering in our water bodies are the major cause of water pollution. Hence, we can conclude that these are deteriorating our environment in every possible ways. Here are some interesting facts about plastic bags that you probably did not know. Plastic bags were introduced in supermarket in 1977. 160,000 of plastic bags are used globally in every second. 5 trillion of plastic bags are produced yearly. Only 1 to 3% of plastic bags are recycled in worldwide. Plastic bags will only start degrading after 700 years, and they will fully degrade in 1,000 years. Plastic bags cause the death of many marine animals when they are mistaken for food. Waste plastic bags are polluting the land and water immensely. Plastic bags have become a major cause of water pollution. Plastic bags have become a threat to the life of animals living on the land and on the earth, water. Chemical released by waste plastic bags enter the soil and make it infertile. Plastic bags are having negative impact on human health. There are multiple types of plastic bags, but people are unaware of them in Pakistan. People use these plastic bags, but are unaware that these plastic bags are microwave friendly or not. They use these plastic bags in microwave to heat their food. When they heat the food, the plastic melts and mix with the food, which is the major cause of cancer. Although the government has imposed a ban on the usage of plastic bags, but people are still carrying these bags. It is time when we all must contribute our bit to make this ban a success. In order to be successful in our mission, we have to keep reminding ourselves about the harmful effect of these plastic bags. on our nature and keep a tab on their use. There are many eco-friendly alternatives of these plastic bags like jute bags and cloth bags. Although plastic is becoming a bit threat for all of us, still this problem has often been overlooked and underestimated. This is because people do not look at the long-term effect of these small, easy-to-carry bags they use in their everyday life. Beside all of these, people keep using these bags due to their convenience. But now, everyone has to completely stop using the plastic bag to save our environment and earth. We should ban these plastic bags so they cannot ruin our beautiful planet. Thank you so much. Over to you, Rabia.
Thank you, Toastmaster Mahima, for such an informative speech. Wonderful.